Are they smelly?
아, disgusting한 냄새가 나요. 아, disgusting shit.
V5? Yes, good girl.
How much more of a circle can you be? You're everything I need and more. It's real. Sir, you can come in if you really want, but I don't think you really want to be here.
Right here. Look at my eyes. No meow, okay?
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you make.
Talk to him.
Kyle. Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
I don't know. No, but that's perception. That's her perception. That's not how you deliver.
You love your puppy. Yeah.
Will Milo. Chase. Chase, wake up. Chase.
You're a jerk. Hey, Captain. You want to give me a hand with work today?
Good.
일단 오늘부터 제가 가게 입장도 판매한 거야.
In March.
Are you giving her a haircut?
It does not smell that bad, bro. You're tripping.
A fancy feast.
I'm married, sir. Oh, I want to see it.
You working out? Oh, good girl.
Have your tail? Can I have your neck?
Oh shit.
Alarm me on her.
Oh my god, no.
I'm not fat, okay? I'm just really, really.
Shut your mouth. Right! Good! You're on fire!
Got lots of hot dogs.
Son of a bitch. You gotta make me put that. You were like.
Dimitri could have died, but that's the right doing business, right?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you? Ow! What is happening?
Close the lines, Jack. Good boy, Jack.
You scratch mine.
Draco.
Bro, can you get your tail out of my bath? Thank you.
Stop. Stop. Gentle. Hey! Come on!
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you.
Give him a
It's official. Oh.
cat butt.
I'm gonna need a warm blankie and a cup of hot chalky.
Owen's hat.
Look at this belly. It's so chunky. I'm so sorry. So here, we're gonna bring the palms back and release. If you're in a ma'am.
Listen to us.
Can all the kitties in the club say meow?
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
What? I'm catching you like this.
Oh, okay. Bye. Oh my god.
It's gonna be hot.
Has anybody seen Mr. Cutie? Cutie, Cutie, where are you? It's a fancy feast. Oh my god, that actually worked.
You hungry again?
I'm eating corn. No.
So, I got a new hairstylist. He's out work.
To a special Lego Town event that's not open to...
Good job.
Be at home that Santa gave you a few weeks ago.
All I want to do is look at you and kiss your face, okay?
A 50 pizza!
Place. Good boy. Stay. Kevin. Good boy.
Симба, принеси туалетную бумагу.
Are you an elf? Oh my god.
Other around, and then they keep each other company when you're at work.
Oh, ow. Happy birthday, though.
Guys, Leonard can talk. Say no.
One.
No.
Faces. Black cat's emotions are less expressive, so people.
Huh?
Jesus! Why? Ah!
Huh?
Sit. Can you punch? Can you punch? Oh, can you punch?
Move!
Oh! Oh!
What happened?
No, 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 I need that. Hey. No, you're a chicken. No,
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're...
Oh, she's scared.
Raggy! Stop!
More than anything, I pity white cats. And here's why. Nature blessed them with dazzling beauty, but at the same time, doomed them to harsh trial.
This motherfucker just ate my pizza. No, it's okay, it's okay. See?
I want mommy, I want milk, I want to...
Whoa.
Is the cactus your best friend?
So I gave birth to my orange flavored son a few years ago, and when I tell you I could not have prepared for how orange he actually is.
Can't behave.
Join!